In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn Chrome from light mode to dark mode. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So there are two ways you can use to turn your Chrome app from light mode to dark mode on your desktop. The first method is to go to these three dots on the right corner and tap on it. Then go and look for settings. And from settings, look for the option called appearance. Now, when you tap on it, go to the section called mode, and here it is. Under mode, you can see the current theme is set to light. So if you want to change this to dark, just tap on it and then choose dark. And from here, your theme will change to dark instantly. So that's the first method you can use to change your Chrome app to dark mode on your desktop. In the second method, which is a shortcut, just tap on Customize Chrome at the bottom corner here, and then tap on it to open. Now you'll see the theme here, and you can see we have three options: light, dark, and the device theme. So you can switch in between light and dark by just selecting your option here. So if we tap on dark, it will immediately go to dark, and you can in fact choose the variables here depending on your preference. So you can choose this, and that will still be dark mode. And once you're done, just tap on this cross to remove that window. So that's how you change your Chrome app to dark mode on your computer. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.